Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tulika and Germany. This is Tulika. So now I'm back with another unboxing video, and this is my second Coach bag which I bought recently, and I thought I should do an unboxing video of this. I have opened the box before, but I didn't do the unpackaging yet, so I will do it in front of you guys straight right now. So are you guys excited to know what's inside? Me too. Come on, let's do it together. So this also comes with a dust bag. As you can see, it's a Coach written in it. Whenever you're not using your bag, please put it in your dust bag so that your bag remains protected. So it comes with a normal packaging like a polythene cover. I'm taking the bag out. So this is my brand new Coach bag. So guys, let me give you some details about this bag before unpacking it. So the model of the bag is Dempsey Bucket Bag 15 with Coach patch and heart charm. You can see it's a small heart charm, and I also got a customized name written of obviously mine in it which you can see here. And this bag is also available in different colors. I think there was one at the store with light pink, but that was with the canvas detail at the center, and mine is complete leather, and it's in like berry color, you could say a red, maroon, so it's a dark color. And few other product details like refined pebble leather, inside multifunction pocket, drawstring closer, fabric lining, and handle with 4 drop. And it also has detachable strap with 27 drop for shoulder or crossbody wear, and 4 protective feet at base, which is this. Whenever you keep it on a table or on a hard surface, the bag remains protected. And for the size, the length of the bag is 6 cm, the height is 7, and the width is 4. I have to be careful so that I don't cut the straps of the bag. So guys, this bag is so cute, and if you like small bags like I do, and then you can definitely style it with so many outfits, like if you're going on a casual date or a brunch or evening time, or for free time you are going anywhere, then this bag is definitely a must to carry, and you can style it with so many outfits. So girls, you can style this bag with so many different casual outfits. Like right now I'm wearing normal jeans, t-shirt, or with a cute dress. Whenever you go for a date or for a brunch, evening walk, you can just carry this bag with yourself and it's going to look so pretty. You should definitely give it a try if you love small bags like I do. And you will also receive a strap. This is a canvas strap with this bag, so that you could also use it as a crossbody. And in this metal thing here, you could see it's written Coach. And last but not the least, the only thing that disappoints me that the bag doesn't have the leather lining inside. It has normal synthetic lining. You can see here. Compared to the other Coach bag which I bought, and which also I made a video on it, the bag was so good. The lining of the bag was also made of leather. But if it doesn't bother you, doesn't concern you, that I think you can have it. So now I'm going to show you what you can carry in this small bucket bag. So the 5 essentials that you can carry in this Coach bag, which I carry in my Coach bag. So the first thing, this most important to me, is my wallet, in which I carry my cards, cash, and this is also a Coach bag. I didn't do any unboxing of it, but I think it's a must for me. So, and the number 2 important thing is my phone. which also fits well in this bag. And the third essential thing is mask, which is a mandatory these days, and I can fold it in this bag. So the next two things are not so essential or mandatory for me to keep, but I like those two things and I just cannot live without it. So the fourth thing is a lipstick. It's a normal size lipstick which also easily gets inside this bag. And the fifth thing is a perfume. So it's I think 30 ml bottle, which also fits. So I think this bag really takes a lot of things in it. So now you have to just fasten the drawstrings. Okay, which I cannot do it on hands. Here like this. And you're ready to carry. I'm still not believing that the small bucket has such large amount of space to keep your stuff in it. I think at least 1 liter you can carry the things in it. So now coming to the price of this bag. So this bag retailed for around 395 euros, but I got it from the Ingolstadt village outlet, and the outlet price of this bag is 199, that's almost 200 euros. And they've also given a 20% membership discount, so I got it for the price 159 euros. So it was a great deal for me.